Welcome to an exploration of one of the world's most dynamic nations, the United States of America. Spanning a vast portion of North America, the U.S. is a tapestry of geographic wonders and a kaleidoscope of cultural diversity. Let's begin our journey with the land itself. From the rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the sprawling plains of the Midwest, the arid deserts of the Southwest, and the lush forests of the Pacific Northwest, the U.S. boasts an unparalleled variety of landscapes. With 50 states, a federal district, and several territories, the country's physical expanse is as diverse as its people. Speaking of diversity, the United States is a true melting pot. With a population enriched by waves of immigrants from every corner of the globe, the nation thrives on a blend of cultures and traditions. Moving to the political and economic realm, the U.S. operates under a constitution-based federal republic. Power is shared between the national and state governments, ensuring a democratic system where citizens elect their leaders. Economically, the U.S. stands as a powerhouse, driven by innovation, technological prowess, and a robust consumer market. Its influence extends far beyond its borders, playing a pivotal role in global trade and finance. Culturally, the United States has left an indelible mark on the world stage. Its music, movies, and technology resonate globally, celebrated for their creativity and impact. As we draw our journey to a close, it's evident that the United States is more than just a nation. It's a beacon of ideals. Founded on the principles of freedom, democracy, and equality, it remains a testament to the power of diversity and the pursuit of dreams. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey through the United States of America. Whether you're a student, educator, or simply curious, we hope this exploration has sparked your curiosity and deepened your appreciation for this remarkable nation.